Okay, now that we have all the hashtags, we are going to find the followers for each hashtag. Okay, first of all, we need to open a driver, and after that, we are going to search through those hashtags and save the followers for each one of them. Okay, as you can see it here, it goes through each one of the hashtags. You can see it here, and it saves the follower number for each hashtag. It goes through all the CSV file. Okay, let's just stop it here. This is just this is a word. This is a script for one driver. I will show you if you want to do it faster. I will show you in a minute how would you do it. Let me just show you the result first. Okay, this is the result for first for the first rows. Okay, this is the main term. This is the hashtag for that one, that first hashtag actually, and this is the follower number. This is the next one. This is the follower number. If you want to make sure, for example, this one, I'm going to do this one, and this is the number 22, and then end with 857. 22, 85. Well, actually, it just came up. Okay, but that's it. This is one way for to do it, but there's another way which goes faster. I will show you in a minute.